Today, what I thought I would just quickly do is take a look at our SMS templates. Now, for those of you who do send a lot of text messages or are on calls a lot, SMS templates are a hugely useful thing, and it's something that you can set up very easily. Can everybody see my screen? Yep. Okay. So something you
Yes.
can set up very easily. They are also being built right now into the mobile apps, and so we anticipate again when we starting 2024 with some fresh functionality around this, so that it all aligns wherever you do your text messaging in smartphone, you'll be able to do it. And the key thing is that in your admin section of smartphone here, you have SMS templates up at the top, and those SMS templates allow you to create as many these templates as you want. Give them a description and a name so you know what they're all about. And as you type what your template is going to be, you can actually insert information from your smartphone contacts itself. So you can, for instance, insert a name or a last name, or even your user. Like, so for instance, me as Jordan Fleming being the user. So if I want to sign my texts, I can I can sign my text by dropping user first name, and that's me, my name, so I can always personalize my text that I send out. But text message templates are a really great way of being able to quickly drop a standard set of text messages back to someone. Particularly useful if you are getting a lot of inbound calls, or if you're on smrtDialer and someone tries to call you, you can of course drop them a text message right back, and you know what to do. You don't have to type it out. You can simply drop it, and you can drop a text message if you start to. If I just find myself here, which I hope I in which account am I in, actually? I don't even know which account I'm in. But if you're sending a message, once you select your contact, you can actually simply add the template by dropping it in here. And if a contact is selected, then those merge fields will actually be used and dropped in the system when you send that text. So it's one of those situations where we see a lot of our customers in property management and in real estate and dealing with customer support, where an SMS template, you can load them up and you can very quickly allow your users to drop that off. To hit a quick template text back.